Hello, graduates, family members, faculty, staff, community partners, and friends. Welcome to the Excel Center graduation ceremony, and let me be the first to say congratulations, class of 2021. My name is Kent Kramer, and I am the president and CEO of Goodwill of Central and Southern Indiana, and I am so grateful for the opportunity to speak with you today about what your accomplishments mean to us at Goodwill and how immensely proud you make us each and every day. Please allow me to be one of many to commend you for your amazing accomplishments that led to this exceptional day. You are a trailblazer, you are a champion, you are a scholar, ready to apply your knowledge and experiences to help continue making the communities that we live in a better place. The world may look a little bit different these days, but through it all, you have persevered. Many of you have shifted from in-person learning to online classes with us back in March. You continue to deal with either in-person learning or e-learning challenges throughout the entirety of 2020. We dealt with canceled events, canceled celebrations, and canceled annual traditions. We have all suffered losses of loved ones, seen financial hardships hit close to us, and we've all experienced uncertainty of the future. It's very important to pause as we acknowledge your resilience and grit through this past year, through the beginning months of 2021. And honestly, we all will need to rely on that grit and resilience in the months and years ahead. While we wish we could be celebrating your achievements in person, we are thankful to be sharing this virtual ceremony so that we can all safely keep moving forward and recognize the great work that's been done to help get you to this life moment. In spite of everything, the Excel Center is proud to celebrate hundreds of new graduates this February. Since 2010, we have now supported nearly 6,000 adults towards earning a Core 40 high school diploma. And now you are a part of that family. You are a part of the Goodwill family for life. There have been over 6,500 industry recognized certifications earned by you and your fellow graduates, along with over 7,000 college credits, so that you can keep moving forward to the next steps in your journey. No matter where your next venture is, please know that the Excel Center will always be here for you, rooting for you, cheering you on, and ready to support you. Congratulations once again to the class of 2021. Enjoy your graduation celebrations today and stay well.
Graduates, family, friends, staff, and board members, as the chair of the Goodwill Excel Centers, I want to congratulate you all on a job well done. Every time I go to a graduation, it's a constant reminder to me that I never achieved a goal by myself. There was that family member, staff member, or friend who helped scratch, push, or pull me through that door of success. They may have given me a ride, they may have watched my kids, they may have cooked me a meal, or helped me with that assignment that I just couldn't figure out. They may have given me some encouragement late at night when I didn't want to finish an assignment. After experiencing 2020, I ask you, no, I beg you to pick up the phone and call them or go visit them. If they're on this, hi, tell them thank you. Thank you, Mom. If my mom's here, thank you, Mom, for all you've done. Because last year showed us that family, community, support is more important now than it ever has been before. To be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject, that is the definition of excel, and that is the reason why we are celebrating today. the ability of each and every one of you to excel in or achieve your goals, your studies, your lives, your communities, and your homes, to excel at all those things. That's what we're celebrating today. Graduates, today, you should not just hold up your head high just because you have your diploma. That is a huge accomplishment, and I congratulate you. But you should hold your head up high because you moved forward. You moved forward when you faced rain. You moved forward when you faced sleet or snow. Or maybe the sun beating upon you and giving you no mercy at all out in the heat, walking somewhere to get to school or whatever you were doing. You moved forward. You should be proud of that because you triumphed. You triumphed in the worst pandemic that we've had in over 100 years. You should be proud because you put your investment in you. No one is going to care for you more than you. No one will ever hold your dreams higher than you. No one will ever hope for you more than you. No one will wish or dream bigger for you than you because you hold the keys to success. So don't ever let a backseat driver tell you where you're going to go or what you're going to do. Kick them out of the car and keep moving down the road because you are made to excel. There is one thing that we all have in common. Regardless of our race, our sex, our age, our financial status, our inherited birth wealth, we all have a begin date and an end date. And right now we are all currently living in that dash mark in between the beginning and the end. I know that seems morbid, and it might be, but I'm going somewhere with this, so stick with me. Graduates, what you should be aware of is today is not the end. It's the beginning of everything, the beginning of your dreams, the beginning of you fulfilling all your dreams. May it be that higher paying job, or being a college graduate, or being the first college graduate within your family, or being able to achieve your master's degree, or better yet, you may even be called doctor, because no one can ever stop you from being called doctor except you. So take on that challenge when someone says, you can't do that. That's not possible because of blank, and fill that gap with, yes, I can do that because today is not the end. Graduates, you have already overcome today. There was probably somebody saying that you would never graduate. This would never happen, but guess what? It has. Because you see, you are your own master. Once you have achieved at this level, you realize there are no physical shackles on us. We are free. If you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything because you are made to excel. So live daily to excel. Congratulations, graduates. Woo!
Excel Center families, welcome. This is a graduation ceremony unlike any other we have hosted before. Despite our graduation platform, I am so proud to introduce you to our 2021 spring graduates. Students at the Excel Center are used to overcoming barriers, stepping up to challenges presented by attending classes while raising a family, working full-time jobs, and being a part of the real world, which offers no room for excuses. However, you graduates face even more challenges brought on by a global pandemic. You handled having classes moved to online with little to no notice. You figured out how to learn and listen from your home while your children laughed and played around you. And in the midst of uncertainty and change, you persevered. Friends and family, please join me in congratulating these amazing graduates and all they have overcome and to accomplish their goal. Members of the Goodwill Education Board of Directors, family and friends, my name is Sylvia Lauer, Director. Welcome to the 2021 Excel Center Virtual Graduation Ceremony. I would like to introduce you to our senior class representative, Kareem Kj Carter, who will now introduce the graduating class of 2021. KJ came to the Excel Center in January of 2020 after attending many traditional high schools. He arrived with 34 credits, but still needed an additional 20 to graduate. KJ's determination was evident from the start. He would walk to school each day, rain or shine. Throughout his time here, he learned how to advocate for himself and began setting up study sessions with teachers and coaches to ensure his success. With this new life skill and perseverance, he excelled through his classes and his certification. KJ is an artist in many ways, bringing joy and laughter to all of those around him. KJ plans to attend Ball State University in the spring. Please join me in welcoming Kareem Kj Carter.
What's going on, grads of 2020 and 2021? First of all, I want to let you know of how proud I am of all of you, especially myself, for the achievement we have accomplished today. I've been to 11 different schools to be where I am at today. I was over-teased, ignored, and challenged. And Lord knows I did not like to be challenged. So anything somebody say to me, I instantly got hot. I had a lot of anger and aggression built up. The teachers and students didn't make it no better. I know most of you have had the same experience. You feel me? The teachers didn't help me like they were supposed to. It was like that until I came to Excel Center. My aggression and anger turned into laughter and joy. The crowd at the Excel Center was so much better. It was all laughs and giggles. We was so much better. Hashtag punchlines, not punches. Miss Katie is definitely a motivation to all of us. With every buzz, we knew who it was. Whenever we needed help, Miss Charlo was always there. Miss Andrea, she always cares. Miss Davis, well, she was always funny, also short. Motivation and striving is what kept us driving. I feel we are at our best. We are all destined for success. I'm going to college to start my acting/comedian career, and that is my goal. I want to say, what is y'all goal? For me? Really, I like to make people smile. My smile, our smile, can make the world smile. Hashtag punchlines, not punches.
Members of the school board, on behalf of Goodwill Education Initiatives, I hereby declare that the members of the class of 2021 have met the exacting academic requirements of the state of Indiana and Goodwill Education Initiatives and are thus entitled to receive a diploma from the Excel Center. Please join us in celebrating our 2021 graduates. Letitia Michelle Bacon, QuickBooks certification, pursuing cosmetology school. Brandon Burdine, MSSC certification, pursuing employment. Heather Lee Bush, dual college credits, pursuing cosmetology school. Kareem Lee Carter Jr., Serve Safe certification, plans to attend Ball State University. Curtis Eugene Cloud, NCCER certification, pursuing employment. Courtney Fisher, Serve Safe certification, pursuing employment. Melissa A. Glacier, CNA certification, planning to pursue an RN degree. Shelby Lee Johnson, dual college credits, pursuing nursing career. Maria Pimentel, pharmacy technician certification, pursuing employment. Stephanie Rascon Valdez, welding certification, pursuing employment. Atasia Dawn Stout, Fire 1 and 2 certification, pursuing employment. this time, would the class of 2021 please stand? On my recommendation, and on behalf of the Excel Center and the Board of Directors of Goodwill Education Initiatives, and by the powers vested in me, I now pronounce you graduates of the Excel Center. To mark this occasion, it is customary for graduates to turn their tassels. Please do so at this time. Congratulations, graduates of 2021.
Congratulations, class of 2021. You are officially high school graduates. My name is Betsy Delgado, and I am the Superintendent of Education Initiatives and the Excel Center. Before you celebrate your exceptional graduation achievements with family and friends, I was hoping to share some final thoughts with you. You are now a high school graduate. It is official. As you proceed to the next chapter of your lives, I offer the following ingredients to feel some success. These are characteristics that we have observed in people and graduates that we've known and worked with over the years. The first is integrity. Keep following through with what is important and right to you. Next, grit and lifelong learning. In the face of adversity and even tragedy, try to remember the reasons you are setting your goals and never be afraid to ask for help. Look after yourself, especially your health, including your social, emotional, and physical wellness, just like we've taught you at the Excel Center. Goal striving, follow your instincts and curiosity wherever they may lead you, and keep broadening your knowledge as an Excel Center graduate. Be a leader, collaborate with others, be bold and take risks, and don't let the fear of failure stop you. Failure is just a part of life. It's another way to learn. Change is a part of life, too. At times it's frightening, but we should see it as a chance to explore and to test our limits. Above all, go out into the world and keep achieving your goals. Be proud of what you achieve. So whatever your next steps, know that we at the Excel Center are incredibly proud of you. We will be here to support you from now forward. We are your family. And we will never stop rooting for you and your success. Graduates, congratulations! You have worked very hard. You deserve to be proud of this achievement and to take this opportunity to celebrate. Good luck and good health to all of you.